So this is Shyam Chetwani once again, and just now we have completed a wonderful one-to-one financial consultation call with Mr. David, and he's from Chennai. And since last more than 2 years, since last more than 2 hours from now, we are connected and discussing about his finances and his financial life. So, Mr. David, I would like to know from you that how was your experience and what is your takeaway out of the call which we have so far?
Yeah, I think like I was very much impressed with your that methodology which you have seen as part of the Vivek Mashrani's session. So that's why I got in touch with you. And I think the templates were really good. That approach is very structured actually. And I think if somebody meets you the early 20s or mid 30s or whatever be it, they put things in your hand. I think their future will be surely in a very safe hands, I would say, because I think your templates helps us to save the minimum needs and how to make it compound as fast as can, and but still it be very safe also. A lot of professional approach, the way even it's mutual funds. I think you're doing a lot of analysis like individual stock we do now, like category wise you are taking it and then analyzing the 8 parameters. And that was amazing actually, Shyam. I think it gives a kind of safe comfort level actually. Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir. One last thing I would like to know: what is the biggest takeaway, biggest game changer, which you feel that this was really something I was looking for and missing in my portfolio, was in my financial life?
Yeah, I think the balance which you suggested now for me to have more of hybrid and kind of advantage funds than being large cap. The difference between large cap and this stuff actually. And also the funds, active funds, if it's giving the same return of 13 to 14%, it means it's not actively managed, it's effectively managed. That is a key takeaway. And I know that 0.5% or 1% also matters a lot. So that was the key takeaway. Your will was very good, amazingly. That I think it was an eye opener for me. Will be happy if I can get that soft copy and I can do that something as you advised. I notarize it and you said it's better to register also. I have done, but the executed part was missing, and that is amazing. That's a key takeaway for me.
Great. One more thing I think I have shared with you, that your retirement purpose, how much purpose you need to retire without any stress. The purpose which was confusing, now you already have the purpose in where, but the total purpose which I given, which will able to make you survive for rest of your life, that was also the calculation which we did.
Yes.
That was also something amazing. Yeah, what I feel.
Yeah, that is, I think you try to kind of play with your template like now. If the return is coming down, if I draw is more, and how much yes it will come, that is amazing actually. Yeah, because when you see an amount now, when you're 90,000 this year, after 25 years, it's becoming 1,70,000 a month or 17 lakhs a month, right? So that is my kind of mind-boggling numbers actually, and your template showed me very straight away.
Great.
Thanks, Shyam.
Thank you very much, sir. It was really amazing talking to you and spend more than 2 hours with you. I don't know where the time passed away.
Yeah,
generally. So it was a great talking to you. You also belong to the same finance background, so it was really meaningful discussion we have. So thank you once again, and we will definitely get connected in future also, and we'll keep helping you in your financial life. So thank you very much.
Thanks, Shyam. I think you've done your financial planning and you're retired as 36 years, within 36 years. So you're a kind of man who walk the talk. So that is amazing and nice talking to you and nice connecting with you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.